What's going on, guys? I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I got a 1965 Mustang getting ready to go on a test drive with. If you have any additional questions, just go ahead and comment below or give me a call, 615-822-4444. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys. I already had the top down, but by the end of the video, I'll show you how it works. It works good. It goes up and down. It's electric over here. In these videos, I'm gonna let you know everything that I see that does not work on this car or is not right. We're gonna stop at the gas station because I think this gas gauge does work, but it's showing on E, just like half of them that come in, nobody puts gas in them. But we will. We'll make sure they got it in there. So there's no AC on this one, but the blower motor does work and it's nice and strong. It's coming out the vents. Only two vents, one on the floor, one up here that doesn't have it on the dash here. The radio does not work. The horn works. So I'll let you know about these gauges. This car's still cold right now. It's saying 64,000 miles, probably 164 or more. We're gonna take her down the road and I'll let you know what I see. I'm gonna pull up here and check the hood, just make sure I shut it down all the way so we don't have no accidents. Give me 2 seconds. Looks like we're good to go. Make sure this don't fly away here. It's a very quiet car. Motor sounds strong though. This is no high output car. I believe he said it was an original 260. There's no way to check on the Ford, but it's what we've been told. So speedometer is working. It should be correct. We're running about 45 right now. So steering wheel has a little bit of slack in it, about that much. But we're going straight down the road. It's not pulling left or right, anything like that. I'm gonna go over here to this other gas station. They got non-ethanol gas. That's what I'm gonna try to put in here. I'm gonna start putting in all the cars since they started carrying it down the road here. Our turn signal flasher is working. Wipers work. The brakes actually felt pretty good, but I'll try them again once we get going down the road. Come on, green light. See if we got a passing gear. Oh yeah. Passing gear kicked in. This motor sounds nice and smooth though. All right, I'm gonna pull in here and get some gas. I'll let you know. All right, I'm up here at the gas station. I put about $20 of pure gasoline in. This is the non-ethanol gas that we use. And I did that so I can check the gas gauge and make sure we don't run out. Let me check that out here. All right. Looks like it's coming up. I knew it was on empty. Oh wow, $20 got a lot in a little Mustang. Let's roll on. Guys, the top switch is right here. And that's down, and this is up. Now I'm gonna flip you around here. Watch the top come up. got a good strong motor. I'm gonna get out and walk around, let you check that out. All right, let's jump out of the car here. Of course, it's crinkled up from where it was been down all day. And I don't have it clipped in, but it does clip. Top looks pretty good. Motor's strong on it. All right. Here we go. If y'all like the Oak Ridge boys, that's their spot right there. The bus is sitting over there and everything. Brakes feel really good. That's one thing. This car does run and drive good. It's got good throttle response. Just a slight bit of slack in the steering wheel. Most of them here lately been pretty tight. It's nice and smooth, it's easy to turn. It's not sticking up. Nice little cruiser car. Cool to drop the top, take off down the road, go to a cruise in, go out to eat. I'm a definite fan of convertibles. Suspension feels nice and smooth on it. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please subscribe. I post muscle cars like this every single day. Some old classic hot rods. We got a whole car lot full of them. I want you to check it out though. Got a website called maplemotors.com. Please check that out. I got 100 detailed pictures of this one underneath, inside, and out, if I missed anything. I've also got a walk around video connected to this video. It's like right before it. So I posted it first and then I posted the driver second. And I try to link them up together at the end of the videos so you can see everything about it. Like I said, those pictures are also on my website of every car on the lot, and 100 detailed pictures of this one, every car on the lot. But I hope y'all enjoyed my video. I tried to cover everything. If I didn't, just go ahead and comment below. I'll try to answer your questions. If you want to talk to me on the phone, give me a call, 615-822-4444. I'll be happy to talk with you. We're all family. You can talk to any of us up there. I appreciate you watching, and thanks again, guys. GoPro, stop recording.